They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece.
To officiate your bonds of marriage. He gets a round of applause too. I, Carlie Saucerman, take you, Carlie Saucerman, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you. In good times and in bad. I will love and honor you. All the days of my life. Congratulations. You may now kiss the bride.
Are jealous knowing we found something so wild from the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground from the sanctuary. Shadow me when you touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Sean's always been a wonderful friend. We've actually been friends for 21 years. That's his character. That's his compassion. He always puts others before himself. He's always supportive.
Something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried? On the edge of your mind, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground.